Ready to turn your N8n skills into a profit powerhouse? First, let's explore creating custom workflows for businesses. Think about pain points: appointment scheduling, data synchronization, social media management. These are all ripe for N8n automation. Start by identifying a client's specific needs, then design and build a workflow in N8n to address it. Offer ongoing maintenance and support for recurring revenue. Next up, consulting services. Many companies are eager to automate, but lack the expertise. Position yourself as an N8n consultant. Offer services like workflow design, implementation, and training. Highlight your ability to streamline their processes and save them time and money. Finally, consider building reusable automation templates. Identify common automation needs across industries and create ready task templates within N8n. Sell these templates on marketplaces or your own website, providing a passive income stream. Each download brings you closer to financial freedom. So, whether it's custom workflows, expert consulting, or selling templates, N8n offers numerous avenues to turn your automation passion into profit. Start building and start earning.